It's not your muscles, it's not your height, and it's definitely not your outfit. Most men lose attractiveness because of something much smaller, almost invisible, yet incredibly powerful. Micro gestures. Tiny actions, less than a second long, that you don't notice, but other people's brains do. And in that instant, they label you as weak, uncertain, or non-dominant. Here's the harsh truth. You are doing at least 5 of these micro gestures every single day without realizing it. In this video, you'll discover the 10 scientifically proven micro gestures that kill your masculine presence, and more importantly, how to fix each one in just 3 seconds. Because magnetic masculinity isn't genetics, it's body control. Section 1. Negative micro gestures. Let's get straight into it. Here are the micro gestures silently destroying your presence. 1. Dropping your eyes right before you speak. You're about to say something. Your eyes fall for a split second, and then you talk. This sends one message. I'm not confident in what I'm about to say. 3-second fix. Pause. Hold eye contact, then speak. The pause creates calm, and calm reads as power. 2. Entering a room with rounded shoulders, walking in folded, reduces your height, your width, your authority. First impressions form in 1/10 of a second. 3-second fix. Before stepping through a doorway, inhale once. Let your shoulders fall back, not up. Small adjustment, huge result. 3. Excessive blinking while listening. Too much blinking reads as nervousness, insecurity, or a quiet desire to gain approval. 3-second fix. Blink once, slowly. Then stay still. Your mind settles, your presence hardens. 4. The automatic smile when greeting people. Most men greet with a "please like me" smile, but an instant smile doesn't read as friendly. It reads as needy. 3-second fix. Neutral expression for 1 second. Then, if you want, a slight smile. You set the frame. 5. Restless hands when standing still, tapping the leg, touching your watch, adjusting clothes. All of it screams, I'm uncomfortable in my own body. 3-second fix. Press thumb and index finger together. A micro anchor that stabilizes the entire body. 6. Tilting your head while listening. Men often tilt their head to appear open or friendly, but in masculine communication, that gesture signals submission. 3-second fix. Head straight, aligned with your spine. Listen from stability, not from "I adapt to you." 7. Shrinking your neck when someone looks at you. Feeling observed makes many men micro-shrink their neck. It's a defensive reflex. 3-second fix. Exhale. Lengthen your neck slightly, not stiff, just undefensive. 8. Breathing only from the upper chest. Shallow breathing makes you look tense, reactive, and small. 3-second fix. Send your breath downward. Expand the abdomen, not the chest. Your inner state changes, and your presence follows. 9. Taking small, fast steps. Fast, tiny steps read as insecurity. I want to move, but I don't want attention. 3-second fix. Fewer steps, longer strides, grounded movement. 10. Nodding too much when someone speaks. Constant nodding equals constant validation. It signals that you're seeking approval. 3-second fix. 1 nod occasionally. The rest, neutral, stable attention. Section 2. The science behind it. Now, why do these gestures matter so much? Why can a blink, a shoulder, a breath change how people evaluate you? Because the human brain doesn't measure real strength, it measures ancient signals. Your nervous system categorizes other men instantly as dominant, neutral, or submissive, not because people want to judge you, but because biology is ancient and automatic. Principle 1. Micro-gestures are primal signals. These signals existed long before language. Before we could speak, men communicated status with their bodies. And today, your posture, breathing, and small movements still tell a story. Principle 2. The brain prioritizes threat and safety. When someone looks at you, their brain asks only, is this man secure or insecure? Not nice, not rich, not educated, just secure or not. Principle 3. Small corrections create huge changes. Body and mind are a loop. Micro gesture, emotion, micro gesture. Change the gesture, and you change the emotion. Change the emotion, and you change your energy. Section 3. The 3-second system. Here's your quick practical system. Simple and effective. Eye stability. Pause. Hold the gaze. Chest openness. Shoulders back. Without tension. Slow blink. Calm equals control. Neutral greeting. Stop smiling instantly. Still hands thumb plus index anchor. Aligned head. Neutral equals authority. Elongated neck. Never shrink. Low breathing presence begins inside. Longer steps. Grounded motion. Minimal nodding. You validate yourself. Section 4. 30-second daily routine. Now, your 30-second reprogramming sequence. Do it each morning. Your body language will shift automatically. First 10 seconds, power breathing. Inhale 4, exhale 6. Feel the breath drop low. Next 10 seconds, masculine alignment. Shoulders back, neck long, eyes steady, neutral face. Hold. Final 10 seconds, walk with presence. 5 steps, slow, controlled, quiet. Silently repeat, I'm here, I take space. What you learned today isn't theory, it's not motivation, it's physiology. Micro adjustments that reshape how the world sees you and how you see yourself. Magnetic men aren't born, they're trained. And that training begins with controlling 1 millimeter of your body for 1 second. Save this video. Practice the routine every morning. In 7 days, you'll feel the shift. And if you want more science-based lessons on masculine magnetism, subscribe. The next videos go even deeper.